Good day, good afternoon. Whatever place my video meet you, my name is Mariam. I'm from Al-Sabit Travel and Tour. Al-Sabit Travel and Tour, we are here. If you have overstay absconded, you want to clear your documents with Al-Sabit Travel and Tourism, we can help you to clear your documents. We have our client from Cotonou. So our clients come here to make his ID, but now he get his ID. So I want our client to explain to the world that which experience you have with Al-Sabit Travel and Tourism, #1 tourism company in this UAE. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. I'm from Benin Republic. I'm so happy to be with this company for so long. But today I get my ID. I'm very, very happy. I appreciate them. I'm invited those people who have overstayed, who have absconding, who have overstayed more than 2 years, 3 years, and who want to do their freelance visa to come here and do their visa. We will be happy like me also. Thank you.
So I'm giving my brother his ID today. My brother is happy. So I'm calling upon my brothers and sisters, whatever place you are, you want to come to Dubai with resident permit also, we can do it. With Al-Sabit Travel and Tour, we can do it. Just visit our website. If you go to our website, you can make inquiry to know more about Al-Sabit Travel and Tour. With Al-Sabit Travel and Tour, we are the #1 tourism company in this UAE. Air ticket, absconded, overstay, Dubai, Ajman, Sharjah. With Al-Sabit Travel and Tour, we can clear your document. Thank you so much, my brother.
Thank you.
Thank you, Heidi.
Yeah. God bless you.
Thank you.